Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. So today in this video I will talking about Android app where you can listen music and earn money on every single on the weekly basis. So before going to the video, kindly request you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming future videos. So no waste more time, let's begin. Basically the name of app is Current. Current is a free Android app that actually pay you to listen to music. There are no catch and no fee, only playing music and earning rewards. Here is how it all works. Current is arguably one of the most passive of all the passive earning app. The app offers more than 1 lakh worldwide radio stations. All you have to do is tune in. There are almost no limit on what you can listen. You can find popular artists like Taylor Swift as well as comedy skits and albums. For performance like Billboard, no matter your listening taste, Current has something for you. You can earn up to $600 a year through the Current app, and there are plenty of different ways to rack up rewards. First off, as we mentioned, you earn reward for listening to music, and Current allow you to play songs from your lock screen. You can also complete surveys, watch short ads, or refer a friend to the app to bring in even more cash. You can get up to $250 from referrals and also get an additional 5% of whatever your friend earn on the app. When you are ready to withdraw your money, you have plenty of redemption options too. You can take the cash, convert it to gift cards for Amazon, Targets, Starbucks, Google Play, or redeem prize like mini drones of Bluetooth speakers. The music you listen to through the Current will reflect your personality, and your rewards will too. Compared to the average passive earning app, Current offers solid potential earning and a good variety of tasks to make money on this app. So it's an amazing app. If you are interested to work on this app, link in the description below. Click on this link and download this app on your Android or smartphone and make a good amount of money on every single week. So I hope and make a good amount of money on a weekly basis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe my channel for upcoming future videos. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.